All right, Catherine, and anybody else that's watching this video, I'm going to post this up on the YouTube as soon as I'm done. So this is going to quick run through of questions 17 and 29 because I have been getting a lot of questions about it. So let's run through questions 17 and 29 real quick, okay? So question 17 and 17 has got a chart. It's got 5 values, and it's wanting you to match each value to the correct statement, okay? So we've got statement number 1, the price of a green apple without the coupon, okay? So this is meanings that this green apple, okay, this green apple, say it's 99 cents, okay? That's the price of the green apple, okay? So which one of these 5 categories here, or which of these 5 expressions would represent the price of a green apple without that coupon? And if you choose correctly, you should choose G, okay? So G is the price of the green apple without the coupon, okay? Now, he saves with the coupon. This is what we want to know, is how much Rob saves with the coupon. Well, if you're aware, the coupon is valued at 10%, okay? So basically what we're saying is Rob saves 10% of the green apple price, okay? That's what's being stated here, is that Rob saves 10% of the green apple. Now, if we were to write this as if we were going to do a multiplication problem, remember, converting the percent to a decimal, it's 0.01, and then, or not, sorry, not 0.01, I'm thinking 1% here. My apologies. This would be 0.1 times G, or 0.1 G, okay? And we have one of those. 0.1 G goes right here, okay? 0.1 G is the price you save with the coupon, okay? Now, what's the price of the green apple after the coupon? Well, if the green apple represents a whole, and we're going to subtract 0.1 G of the green apple, that means you're going to take 1 minus 0.1, and you're going to get 0.9, okay? So you're going to get 0.9 of G. That's going to represent the price of a green apple. So the price of the green apple after the coupon is going to be 0.9 G. Now you're asking yourself, what about the remaining 2? Now, the first one here, 1.1 G, we're saying that we're going to pay 1.1 times the price of the green apple, okay? This is what we talk about when we're talking about a markup, okay? That's when the price of the green apple is being increased, okay? That is not going to be used except for in the column that sits there and says, you know, none of the above or none of these options, okay? This one here has been tricky for a lot of people because G minus 0.1 kind of looks like what we did right here. But the problem is, if we were going to use G, okay, we'd have to have a G right here to make the statement true. We don't have that G right there. It just says G minus 0.1. That's not going to work because what if the apple is $15, okay? 0.1 is not the same as saying 15 minus 0.1 G, okay? So it doesn't match up. These don't work out the same. So again, this one here wouldn't work out. You cannot do that, okay? So your answer should be G. The price of a green apple without the coupon is G. The savings with the coupon is 0.01 G. The price of the green apple after the coupon, 0.9 G. The remaining 2 answers go in the last slot on the assessment. Okay? All right. The other question a lot of people have been having issues with is 29. You've been told that, I don't know if it's Jerry or Carl or something like that. Carl is paying $60 for clothes, and that's what he's budgeted for a month. Okay? But the clothes are part of his other expenses, which is 20%. So they want to know what percentage is the clothing budget of the other expenses budget. Okay? So that's what they want you to find out. So you got 2 steps here. First, we have to find out exactly, okay, number 1, we have to find out how much money is budgeted for other expenses. Okay, that's what we have to find out. Okay, so we could just sit there and we could do our quantity, Q, equals 20% times our whole, which is $4,000. Okay, so 20% times 4,000 is going to be $800. Okay, So $800 is what's budgeted for the other expenses. Okay? Now, $60 of that $800 is what's budgeted for clothes. So what percentage of the other expenses budget is budgeted for clothes is what we want to know. So this is where we come in at with doing the part over the whole equals percent over 100. Okay? Because we know the part is going to be the $60. So that's 60 over. The whole is not the $4,000, it's the $800. Because the $800 is the budget of the other expenses. So the $60 is out of the $800, not $60 out of the $4,000. No, this is $60 out of the $800 that is budgeted for other expenses. So the $800 is our whole, which equals percent over 100. Now you got to cross multiply and divide. So cross multiply, okay? 800 times, we're going to say this is P. 800 times P is going to be 800P equals 600 times 100, or sorry, 60 times 100 is going to be 6,000. Okay, now we've got to divide. So we divide both sides by 800. Okay, so 800 divided by 800 is just P equals. Now remember, if they both end in zeros, the numerator and denominator, you can scratch out the zeros until you're left with just no more numbers to scratch out. So this case here, we're looking at 60 divided by 8. And if you plug that in, you'll get 7.5, and then you smack the percent on the end of it. So you're looking at 7.5% as being the answer for question number 29. All right. So again, like I said, these are the only two questions I'm making a video of right now is because these two seem to be causing a lot of people hiccups. So again, if you're still having issues with your expressions and equations assignment, you can send me an email. I will do my best to post up this stuff here, okay? I'll probably make a full-on video tomorrow night walking through each and every single one of these problems and posting it up on Wednesday so you can go back and take a look at the questions you missed and figure out why you missed them, okay? So just be patient with me and we'll get through this together, all right? But like I said, this is questions 17 and 29. All right, you guys have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow.